Is your drone smart enough? Perceive, decide, and act autonomously. With Manifold 3, your drone becomes an intelligent aerial robot. In this quick start guide, we'll walk you through setup, development, and demo debugging in just 5 minutes. Built for DJI Enterprise drones, Manifold 3 delivers 100 TOPS of edge computing power with native PSDK support. It supports the Matrice 4 series, Matrice 4D series, and Matrice 400 series. Installation takes just 2 minutes. Manifold 3 comes with a pre-installed PSDK development environment, so you can get started right away. For development, you can log in remotely via SSH or VNC. We also provide installation scripts to help you quickly deploy third-party applications without root access. On the developer page, go to Developer Center. Create app, set up details such as the application name, category, and description, then click Send Email to activate the application via email. Download the DJI PSDK Development Kit. The DJI PSDK Development Kit includes sample code for Manifold 3 applications. After modifying necessary configuration codes such as app name and app ID, compile it using CMake commands. Once compiled, the DPK file is automatically generated and packaged in the DPK directory. After obtaining the DPK application installation package, you can directly install it onto Manifold 3 via DJI Pilot 2 or FlightHub 2. Manifold 3 supports both telemetry and perception data. Telemetry data includes quaternions, IMU fuse velocity and acceleration, flight speed, attitude, altitude, GPS coordinates, RTK data, gimbal attitude, and more. Perception data includes depth camera images from multiple directions around the aircraft, point cloud data from Matrice 400's onboard LiDAR, and millimeter wave radar data. Manifold 3 can also control payloads such as gimbals, cameras, spotlights, and loudspeakers. It can automatically detect illegal parking, cover the drone for evidence capture, and notify ground personnel for rapid response. Manifold 3 also provides flight control capabilities, including basic flight control, joystick-based virtual stick control, waypoint missions, and flight of commands, with support for onboard network RTK configuration. Traditional remote controllers only support 1080p video transmission, while Manifold 3 can access 4K HD streams and transmit them directly to the command platform via DJI Cellular Module 2. This enables large-screen HD monitoring, richer on-site details, and efficient data analysis. Manifold 3 allows you to push custom HMS notifications to Pilot 2 or FlightHub 2, and configure widgets, AI bounding boxes, and AR overlays. Manifold 3 supports interconnected communication with PSDK payloads, remote controller MSDK, Pilot 2, and cloud APIs. It can also achieve custom networking and cloud connectivity via onboard 4G module or custom communication modules. Packing 100 TOPS of computing power, seamless development tools, and advanced flight control, Manifold 3 turns your drone into a smart aerial robot. To kick things off, we have exciting prizes and a platform ready for you to show off your work. Let's unlock its true potential and soar into the AI era.